Hi, it's Gina from WTI. I am a big proponent for wearing sunscreen daily because I have some damage from sun exposure when I was in my teenage years. I am really happy with this tinted sunscreen from EltaMD. First off, it's mineral-based, which is really important to me. In addition to having zinc oxide, this is non-scented and paraben-free. I generally don't do full foundation, and so I love using something that gives me a little bit of coverage, but is lightweight and still leaves me looking glowy and not weighed down with a lot of makeup. It helps to cover over and even out my skin tone, which, by the way, I'm a cool skin tone, and it just blends in beautifully. Even though it's winter where I live, I know it's still important to protect my skin from the sun. So I apply it over moisturizer daily on not just my face, but also my neck, my décolletage, and my hands. Now, ladies, we know that age shows so much on your hands, so don't neglect that part of your body. It's important to protect it from the sun too. I'm a busy person and often have to do my makeup in the car while we're on the way somewhere. So I love that the size is small enough for me just to throw in my makeup bag and apply on the go. The consistency is really creamy, it's not greasy, it doesn't leave streaks, and it just blends in really well. If you're looking for a mineral-based tinted sunscreen that's going to give you light coverage as far as color goes, but protect you from harmful sun rays, I would recommend this one from EltaMD, and that's my point of view.